Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live call. I'm Mochi. We got a special live call today. We're going to be looking at Cloud's chart later on, but before we do that, let's look at the pre-market analysis. As you can see on the screen here, this is my long on stall level. Right now, we're pushing down. That's fine. We'll wait for open to see what happens, but as you can see right underneath us, using the TWA market structure, we have good support under us, so keep that in mind. Where could price go? It could possibly get up to the 400s. I really like this up here around the 450s. However, you see we're gonna have a little roadblock in the way on the way there. No worries. Let's see what the market can bring us today. So again, this indicator that you see on the screen is the TWA market structure. Levels, these are my game plan levels. This is where I consider where I want to long or short from. And now let's head over to Cloud's chart. Good morning, Cloud. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing today?
All right. So as you can see today, we got a special guest chart for you. This is Cloud's chart. He's got something really nice on it right now. Cloud, you want to fill him in what you have on your chart?
So we are working on a new indicator that will help you pinpoint your nice trigger entries. The arrows you see here are some of the entries. So if you see a blue arrow on the bottom, that's entry to go long. A purple arrow on top is entry to go short. That does not mean take every arrow you see. That just said, hey, possible long entry, possible short entry. Um, if hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. If you see these, if you look closely, we have these blue dots up top of the candles as well too. This is another signal to look short. You see the blue dots on the bottom uh, around this blue arrow. That's another signal to go long. So today we're just gonna focus on these trigger entries and this indicator. I'm gonna call out trades based off this right here.
All right. You see how Cloud has put this new indicator on top of his already existing uh, most liked trigger indicators. So you're gonna see a nice how they work together nicely. How he uses them to filter things out and get these awesome trades. And remember, as always, if you want access to these indicators, we have a promo code. Use the code mindset, and you get a deal off your first month. All right, let's see here. Where are we open? We are going to be open in 2 minutes. Hello. All right, let's see. Let's. All right, we got a couple seconds left before open. 30 seconds left. Always remember, trade your chart. Do your own analysis, and this is not financial advice.
It's not.
Okay, we'll be open in 9 seconds. And
Push down.
we are officially open.
Mm. Mm. Let's see. Is this 205 gonna hold or not?
Okay, good morning. We are officially open. Let's see. Let's see how Price wants to treat us today. What's this one? Alright, so I'm waiting so far. I just I don't see anything that I like presently. Give it a little time. Nothing wrong with giving yourself some time to see what the market wants to do. Okay.
We walk right here. Let's see what happens.
Okay. That's what I was waiting for. We got that matching. We got that. Now let's see if we can get a little. Let's go here. Nice.
Ooh, red backgrounds. Oh.
I'm trying along here,
Yeah.
light position size, because I'm going against the trend.
And you can see see that candle coloring right there. You see how it went from red to gray. Uh, you could take that as a sign of bearish weakness.
Okay, we like it. it I am fighting a lot up here with the money zones. 180, I'm gonna be flat. 180ish, yeah, 180ish, I'm gonna be flat. I did take a trim up there, but it wasn't.
No, I have not taken a trade yet, Jason. I'm still waiting to see. I'm still waiting. I'll probably give it another couple minutes. I just want to see what New York is showing us today.
A lot of money zones up here that I'm fighting against, honestly. A lot of money zones up here.
Yeah, I'm still waiting. Um,
Take another trim right here. Take another trim right here. Okay.
okay, I think I might be getting in soon. It's right at a level of mine. Let's see. Let's see. Seeing here, I'm a little late on this one. enter along here. Let's see, get this ready. Let's go. So let's see if I can drop that up a little bit. Let's see.
I'm watching YM and ES right now, so I'm gonna protect myself even more because I don't like how YM and ES hasn't really pushed up as Nasdaq has been pushing up here. I'm looking at some of the individual tickers. It does look good. I do like Nvidia right now. I do like Apple. You know what Apple's trading at. Meta kind of right now as well too. We're inside a 1 minute money zone though. I'm gonna be flat right below VWAP. I might try to hold 10 micros just in case.
Nope, that one's out.
Flat, 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 flat across the board. If we were to look at a 5 minute candle, it does not want to close above 200. Nasdaq again is in this funky area. First trade only gave me what 25 points at the most. Ooh, breakout, breakout, breakout printing. Do we have news coming out soon? Uh, bunch of Fed speakers, honestly. We had news today at 8:30. I guess that news didn't do anything. And we had a Fed speaker at 9:35. Okay, what a push down. Oh, I missed that entry. But it's not ready yet. I don't think it's ready. I don't think it's ready. Oh, it wants to go lower. Nasdaq is not playing fair today. Yeah, hey, Nasdaq this morning. I think it wants to come down a little lower. I'm looking at the 100, 111.93, also 78. But that 20,040 level, for some reason I think it wants to come down there.
Okay, I got my direction.
You short now?
Mm-hmm.
Are you in a short right now?
Yeah.
What was your entry?
It was. This was a late one. This was once it couldn't get back above 150, 150, like it, and then I just got in there. Light size, and oh, there it goes. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, the long that I took did not work. Uh, Price dropped really fast, so I got taken out of that one. I'm risk free on my short. Let's see if I can get there.
Oh wow. $20,040. I think can get there. I mean 22,040.
That's where my TP is. So hopefully you are correct. Wow, we are falling fast.
Mm. Wow. I got that 40 level.
Secure 25 points.
Market legit shows no love.
Let's see here. What do I want to do?
Oh, Nasdaq is going down. Let me see if this holds though. I don't know if it will. It's looking like it wants to hold, but I don't know if it will though.
I'm hoping it gets to the bottom of the super cheap box. At least in the next 3 minutes. Oh, oh, holy shit. Excuse my language. Oh my. stop to here. 72. It's a new 4 hour. This sucker could pop at any second. So I'm gonna secure that. Right now I'm trailing this trade, right? It's up as high as 100 points. I've secured half of it. Okay, we got 1 minute till the new 4 hour. Let's see what price wants to do. Okay, we made it down to 22,000 even. I'm gonna secure 100 points. Hopefully I can get there in time. Okay, 100 points is secured. $150 points up so far. Oh cow, I gotta move this down. Move this down to here. I'm gonna take another.
Wait, what happened?
What's the ATR 18? Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm about to get out. Let's see. No, I don't. I'm gonna secure more points though. Another 25 points. Secured. Alright. 125 points secured on this trade so far. Get it out of the way. Okay, so it looks like the price will be coming back up. It's gonna probably take me out. All right, I'm out of this trade. 125 points. $125 on micro. Let's go. Let's go. I missed my ideal entry because my phone rang, but I was able to get in before it turned into a breakout. Just when it rejected off of the really cheap box. Man, that was nice. Holy cow.
I just smacked. Alright.
Now we could bounce back up, so everybody be aware.
I see 120, and I raise you. What is it? 60 points. 60
It could fly all the way back up to where it came down from, guys. So like, be aware. Just be aware of that. This is NQ now.
She literally takes no prisoners.
Yeah. Yeah. So Horatio, yeah. So you obviously you never enter a short when it's in. I never enter a short when it's inside the purple box. However, if we're getting certain signs that, we have the direction right, you can go in with small contracts if you feel the need to. You don't have to go huge. This was a two micro trade. Risk was 20, let's see, 40, $80. And the reward was 125 points. Oh, look at that. I forgot I was in short on Top Step, and I hit my daily profit target. Well, that's interesting. Well, that was an eval. So, but the one that I was really trailing, that everybody heard me talk on, that was my funded. That one was a my funded futures. All right, I'm done for today. I like to be, hopefully, one and done if I can. That's my goal. I did take one long earlier, and it did not work. I think I now have developed a rule now for exiting even quicker. No FOMO, just wait for the retrace. It's gonna, if you look at the dashboard, it says pull back with trend. So just wait for the pullback. X out of this because I'm not trading anymore here. And I'll X out of this one too. It's either gonna give me in or it's not. Alright, so that was interesting. That's very interesting. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Can't say that. Oh, they're in order for short too, huh?
Okay, that's another account I'm done with today. Okay. Well, I didn't get as many points as Mo, but I'm thrilled with my profits for today. Definitely, I don't know. This week is I've been against the trend all week. I've been against the trend all week, man. It sucks. It only sucks because it's like we're on live and it's like, it's like I feel like it's better to brag about the points than the dollars you made. Because everybody's sizing is different. But one thing that's consistent is the points you catch.
Yeah. When then
So it's
see the
like,
point.
it's like, go ahead, Mo. I'm sorry, go ahead, Mo.
That's 100% true. Like your points should be consistent, right? And if they're not, it's because you have something blocking you in your head of taking the same trade you would see if you're taking a trade with micros with your stops. Think of it in points. Your stop is this many points. You're looking to your targets, right? Now, if you're doing that with minis, that's fine, But you have to understand you're taking that risk, and if it changes anything, meaning uh, you you get out too quickly, or you do this, you do that, then start sizing down till you get comfortable at a certain size, and then grow from there. Don't try to rush to be like, 5 minis deep day one if you're not used to it. You got to work your way up to it. And your process should be a process. Like if you look at DC, myself, and Cloud, every trade, we're different traders, but every trade we follow our process to get in and to get out. The sizing is all depending on the context, where every price is and what it's doing, stuff like that.
Like the
So
shorts that Mo took, I wish he would have called it out when he got into it, but I know why he went short there, and I was looking for us to break above the 60s and stay above the 60s, have a close above the 60s, and I would have went long if we would have had a close above the 60s, really the 70s. Since we never had that close above the 70s, I hesitated and waited. Thank God I did. And then Mo got his short, and I took two longs down here. I'll show you. I took a long right here. Then I took my second long right here. I'm sitting at 50 points right now in profit right now on the second long, or this third long, I guess. But I'm always gonna say trade your chart. F the noise, trade your chart. You know,
and then again, and also keep in mind that was just one trade at one point in time in New York session. Right now, there could be a 300-point trade the other way. We never know. So trade your chart.
God, I hope so. Because I'm still kind of heavy in this trade. God, I hope so. I have 30 micros left.
I could
I took
see it
this
at
trade.
least getting back to where my short on stall level is. That's around the 200s. So it's possible. Like, and Q's crazy. It can dump and then start climbing its way back up.
I don't know. This week, I've like what sucks about this week is that yes, I've made money, but I've been against the trend all week, and it's like, what the hell am I seeing? I mean, if I get 100 points here, yeah, I'll be happy to a certain extent, but I'm not extremely happy, honestly. 30-second money's on here. 5 and 15 seconds as well too.
Okay, let's see. Well, you can see how nicely on the trigger candles why uh, Cloud took this long. It was nicely, it changed colors right at the cheat box, and now it's climbing its way up to the money zone. And you can see the other way where I took the short.
Market looks like it wants to have a little pullback here. Let's see. Pullbacks are healthy if it is a real pullback rather than a retracement back down. Are we already at expensive? Oh my god, we're already expensive box on the auto setting.
Yeah.
Super expensive.
I mean, we might see it come back down.
Do we have a 15-minute close below that area we'd like to look at?
It
Oh
should
shit,
have.
we did have a 15-minute close below that level. Oh no. Yeah. Well, I did get 100 points in that trade. I'm only in
Oh,
10 micros now. I did take that trade with 100 micros originally.
Jesus Christ.
I was frustrated because you got 100 something points. I was like, bro, this
Come
guy here.
on, man. You can't be. Oh, I'm frustrated. I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna stack up the contracts.
No, I
Can't
mean
do that,
also
man.
like I had my level too over here at 22,000 flat,
Oh,
you know.
that's a different story. See
And then we
that's
also had the
acceptable to me.
and then we also had a 4 hour. You see that we had the Gabby buy button right here. You see how we had all these candles, all these bullish candles. Like let me give you a switch to a Haki Nashi candles, and I can kind of show you what I'm looking at. Let it load up. Even from a Haki Nashi standpoint, like look how the candles performed on the 1 minute. The reason why I went long down here. I'm getting hungry. Okay. And that's getting kind of boring up here. Look at it. Look at it. Previous monthly high is up here. It doesn't seem like it wants that monthly high.
It's not going back up.
Why you say that, Mo?
Hmm?
So why you say it's
Look
not
at
going back
it.
up?
Look at it. Look at the. Hold on. Let me go to the market structure analysis. You see that red box right there, right where that my green level is.
Yeah.
Like that is the new resistance box, right? So it has to get from here a new support through this the that higher low you see right there at about what time is that? The higher low at about 118, 119. If we're staying below that higher low, it's gonna have a hard time making its way back to here. So that level right there, which is 119, if we stay comfortably below that, that could be the pullback to head back towards the green support box. See how it kissed it and it came. You took this trade. This is the trade you took right here.
Yeah.
Bang, and then it came up. For it to come all the way back over here, it has to go past this level, then past this to get even back up to where it was in London. So unless there's big news coming or big um, um, participation coming right now, like at this time, I don't see it getting back before lunch. Let me put it that way. I'm talking about before lunch because I don't trade after lunch, so I have no idea what happens in the afternoon. But I know in the morning, for it to come all the way back here, we need some major news to drop and that ATR to start
Okay.
really climbing.
I definitely added to that position. Oh shit. I think I added
So
too
we might
much.
get sideways chop around here while it fights through these levels to get back up to here. So you might see the TPO start to change. No, not that.
Okay. Nice scalpy for me, right inside the 1 minute money zone, right above the monthly level that I wanted to get into. What was that? A 20 point, 30 or yeah, 20 point scalp. All right, I think I'm just gonna just leave the rest of my micros alone. I have 10 micros left. I have one mini that I took that's at break even now. I did take that last scalp with 5 minis, and I'm gonna say this: I'm on my live account right now, I'm off on the futures, and I'm kind of upset with them. So that's kind of why I'm trading the way I'm trading right now with them.
You're upset with them?
Yeah, I can't buy any more accounts.
Why?
They
Because you're on
want
a
to.
live?
I don't. They said that they no. They said that I did a chargeback, and I never charged anything back. So after this live account is finished or blown or whatever happens to it, I will be done with my funded futures. But I am up massively today on that account, though. Massively,
Do you get daily? Are you requesting? Are you gonna request a daily?
man. Yes,
There
I'm a
you go. That's the cloud I wanted to hear. We need to get him back. We need to get him.
I'm definitely gonna request it today, man. I have to. I have to. I'm almost done. Give me like 10 minutes. Actually, no. Give me 30 minutes. I'll be done. All right.
What are you part of? Oh, that's the desire. Okay.
All right. Let's look at my chart. I'm gonna let me switch to a different time frame. What time frame is this chart on? All right, so you see where we are at the top of the expensive box, also at the monthly high, at the bottom of this money zone. We do have blue candles, a blue dot starting to print on top of this candle, and also a bearish signal. We also have the previous daily low right here as well too. We also have my 1 minute moving average right here as well. I mean, you know, if you look here, I have so much other things. I have the Frankfurt low, the Sydney and Tokyo low, the London low, like all right here. So that's kind of why now I'm at break even on that 1 minute that I took. I took that 1 minute like right at 78. Well, I don't know. I can't. Yeah, like right at 78. I took up a 5. I did trim 3 right here at this level. I took one more up here. So I do have one more left. I do still have 10 micros originally from this trade, which I took it with 50. I mean, not 50, but 100 micros. I took my first trim right here at 50 points. Took 50 micros off, and I took an additional 40 micros off right here at this monthly level that I already had marked off. So I am flat off that 1 minute that I did take. I got 10 micros left. I've broken up those 10 micros into individual stops. So
Let's see
Just
what
be
happens.
aware.
Let's.
Price might be pushing down a little bit, so just be mindful. I'm just looking at your chart, and like the money zone. You know, you got the money zone and what's that? The expensive, the gray expensive.
Yeah.
So guys, you see how great these indicators are. I traded short, he traded long. We both made money.
It sucks because it's like literally every trade I've taken this week has been longs, and yes, have they working out in my favor? Yes. Have I had the most excitement with them? No, not even this 100-point trade I took. I was excited about it. You know, because it's like I missed the shorts, and it's like the shorts were better because I would have taken it with 10 or 50 micros, and I would have been calmly in this trade, not kind of revenge trading. You know,
See, here's the little push down cloud.
Yeah. Like literally, this was like, this is a small setting. This is literally my damn near my entry right here on the first of the longs I took. Got out. I took a trim here, trailed my stop up a little too tight, got stopped out. I was being greedy again. Took it again right below the 22,000 psych level, and my stop was going to be down here. I was willing to literally this trade right here. I took with 50 micros. I was willing. I was literally willing to end the day red with this trade. I don't know if this trade would have been red, but I would have, like, my stop was sitting right here on the top of the expensive box. I mean, top of the cheap box. So I was willing to let this trade bleed off, but thank God the market and the indicators agreed with me.
Yes. Guess what? He's
Talk
banned.
to me. What happened?
I banned somebody again. I love banning people.
Oh yeah.
Banned from chat. But as
Yeah,
far as
Jason, market does feel weird this week. This week is not. I don't know what it is, because Trump really hasn't said too much. We haven't had any big earnings, big news. The market has just been like blah. I don't get it, man.
well, I have a theory. A theory. Right. Since December, we have been inside December's candle for almost a month and a half. So that's that range feeling I think you guys are experiencing, because it is price is going up, but it's not a clean, like, couple days, couple weeks in a row. It's been up and down, then up higher, and then back down, and up higher, then back down. Right now, we went up high for 2 days. It was kind of ranging, and now we're shooting down again, and then probably tomorrow we'll shoot back up again. You know how I know? My game plan has barely changed in the past 5 days. I've been right around the same levels.
I mean, today's the first day that it broke below one of my levels of 22,000. I mean, like it literally went to 22,950, and everyone
Shot
knows
right
how
back.
you know you don't know people who've been trading with me know how much I love psych levels, and the fact that it hit that 950 and like bounced up, I took that trade. The fact that if you look on the 5 minute chart, we didn't have a body close below the 22,000. Again, another reason why I forced the longs again in this area, because we had what, one, two, at that time I think three 5 minute candles that closed above 22,000. And if you look again, we have had a 5 minute candle close above this 22,100. God, I hate NASDAQ today.
Like, I'm showing the Hakinashi candles to kind of show you a little bit more direction of the market on a smaller time frame. We had all these, so we had bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles. We had, I guess you can call this a bullish indecision candle right here. Bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bearish indecision, bearish, bearish, indecision, 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 bullish, 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 bullish. We had indecision here, and then we've been chopping ever since. This was a bearish candle. This is a bullish indecision candle. I mean, bearish indecision candle. Bullish indecision, bullish indecision, bullish indecision, indecision, indecision. Yeah. Like, I like Hakinashi candles on the bigger time frames, like the 5 and the 15. The 1 minute is cool too, as well. The 5 and 15 is my favorite ones to look at. 11 o'clock, I'm calling it a day, Mo. I gotta get something to eat.
Yeah, that's fine. We can stay on around 15 minutes, see what price wants to do here. Yep. All right. Oh, there you go. Let's see if it wants to stay inside this gray expensive box. Right, I'm pushing down. Oh yeah, that was definitely the pullback. Oh shit, what? Am I still in this? I didn't even check on this thing. Just going down.
I am full. I'm about to be completely flat on all of my positions, even the smaller micros. Yeah, I'm done. All right, I'm done for the day.
Alrighty. All right, everybody. So I think we're gonna be wrapping it up here. Uh, we'll be on tomorrow. Adam will be on tomorrow. He'll be going over an indicator at 10:15. So you want to tune in for that. All right. Until then, always remember, trade your chart. Stay disciplined and follow your process. Cloud, anything in closing before we go?
Um, let's make some more money tomorrow.
Excellent. Excellent.
Hopefully tomorrow we can see the direction of the market. Like I'll be more open to take a short tomorrow, or we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah,
We'll
let's
see.
see what tomorrow brings before we to pick a direction. All right, everybody. Thank you for being with us today, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye.
All right, man. Take care.
Man, I just wish. You still there? Mo.